Okay, so last lecture we learned about left hand limit and right hand limit. Now the question is, sir, suppose one question is given limit. Okay, na? Question is given limit x tends to something. So it means that I will find both the things, left hand limit and right hand limit. See, it depends on the option. Suppose one limit question is given and four options are there, A, B, C, D, and one option is limit does not exist. It means we have to find left hand limit also, we have to find right hand limit also. We have to find both. Okay, na? So if suppose option is there 1, 2, 3, 4, this option is not present, limit. Directly apply the formula and get the answer karna, see this side. Understood na? So we'll find left hand limit and right hand limit in limit question only when what? In option limit does not exist is present. If in option limit does not exist, this option is not present, no need to find left hand limit, right hand limit, directly apply the formula and get the answer. Okay, so write down one point there in your copy. We will find left hand limit and right hand limit. We'll find left hand limit and right hand limit only when limit does not exist, only when you can write like this hyphen we say na, what we say, okay, only when limit does not exist is present in any one of the option as an option. If limit does not exist is there as an option, okay, then we'll find left hand limit, right hand limit, else we don't no need to find left hand limit and right hand limit simply. Okay, very good. Now we are going to see the next topic from this. Fundamental theorems on limits. Okay, so what is this all things? I will explain you. First point, first I am going to explain you. Suppose something is written a limit. X tends to something, 2. And I'm asking, explain this, x square minus 4 upon x minus 2 plus or minus anything is given. You can write x cube minus 8 upon x minus 2. Suppose you want to find this limit. So you can take this limit inside the bracket. Sami, you will sit here. So this limit you can take inside and you can give to both and you can separately write the limit. Like some number 2 is outside the bracket. You remember not 2 we can take inside and multiply with all. Like I write 2 times of x plus y. So that 2 I can take not 2x plus 2y. But here actually 2 is multiplying with x. Here this is not the multiplication. Simply one value you have to find. So it means we can write limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4 upon x minus 2 plus limit x tends to 2 and this both we can write. This is meaning of this point. It means one function fx is there, one function gx is there and one limit is outside. This is your bracket. So that what we can do, limit we can take inside, fx we can find, limit we can take inside gx, both we can separate. And see limit x tends to fx is written L, M and they have directly written L plus M. So they have done some brain work. Okay na? But we can write like this. So simply write down this A part or you can start from there and you can start writing First write first part. First write first point and after that write down this as an example. Okay, so between both function, earlier there was plus sign between both. Now suppose at place of plus sign, I am writing fx into gx. So what we can give? This limit I can give to this and I can write separately into that limit I will give to this and I will write separately. Simple. Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 8 upon x minus 2. And that will become our. Understand? This is what it is saying. Limit fx into gx is there. So if find limit x tends to fx, x tends to a fx separately, then you find limit x tends to a gx separately, L into m. And here you can see L is limit x tends to a fx and m is limit x tends to a gx. ठीक है? So you can write C and D both, A, B, C, D. Simply this is for plus, this is for minus, this is for product, this is for division, and you can do the rest work. And this property will have to remember because this property will use in few question and in some question we cannot use. Hemant, how are you, Hemant? Now this part, see, constant multiplication rule is saying, suppose one constant number is there into fx. So that constant number you can write outside the limit and then you can solve the limit. Okay, na? This is there. So if any constant number is multiplying with function and you have to find its limit, so that constant you can take outside, then you can find the limit. That is allowed. This no need to write. Of course, this is simple. What is this? Suppose you want to solve this type of limit. So first you can solve limit x tends to a f of x. Suppose you are getting some answer 2. So answer will become 2 raised to m by n. Okay. And g part don't write like this. G part don't write like this. I will give you one shortcut way to understand that. Okay, na? Well, there are a lot of English present over there, and that much English is not required. See, what is that English? Suppose some limit I am writing here. This part you can write. Limit I am writing x tends to 2. And I am representing here with function f. X square minus 4 upon x minus 2. What is this? This is function. That function is unknown. उसको उठाओ. So that f you can write as it is, and this limit part you can take inside and you can keep just behind the x term. Why we are doing this? Because we have to find this value. F will not, limit has nothing to do with f. Limit x value is there and x value is present here. So limit has everything to do with this, not with that. So simply limit can go inside any function, and if limit is inside any function, you can take that limit outside the function. निखिल बोल रहा हूं. दीक्षित, नींद आने लगा? हाँ? You all are feeling sleepy, na? Huh? Okay. These are some indeterminate form which we can solve with help of limits. Now say this. These are the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 forms of numbers are there. That value we can find with help of limit. Now, I am going to remove some confusion. Wherever 0 is present here, actually that is not exact 0. That 0 is 0 plus or 0 minus. It means this 0 by 0 is 0 plus by 0 plus. That is not 0 by 0. Because 0 by 0 we cannot solve. But 0 plus by 0 plus we can solve. Okay, like infinity by infinity. Yes, in infinity by infinity, simple big number and big number. Infinity minus infinity. Yes, infinity minus infinity we can find, but infinity plus infinity we cannot find. Because infinity plus infinity will be some greater infinity which we cannot find. But maybe two infinite number are there, and difference of both two infinite number is 1. Maybe 2, 3, 4. Okay, suppose this is infinite. And this is also infinite. So if you subtract both, how much will be left? This much will be left. So that is finite or not? Maybe that will be 2, maybe that will be 3, maybe that will be 4. So that we can do. Infinity minus 0 into infinity again we can solve. But 0 into infinity is not 0. That is 0 plus into infinity. But if this 0 is exact 0 into anything will be 0. So exact 0 into infinity will be exact 0. But 0 plus into infinity, maybe that number will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything it can come. Vaishnavi. 1 raised to infinity. See, in 1 raised to infinity, that one is not exact 1. That number is little greater than 1. 1 plus. Or maybe 1 minus. Something like that. And this two pattern we will learn when we will learn differentiation. This is what here written. Initially the first 5 form, and after that 2 form will come. When you learn differentiation, then that form will come. Okay? And here it is written 0 and 1 are not exact. In fact, both are approaching to corresponding value. Means 0 is that number, whatever number is there, that number is approaching towards 0. And that it means that 0 is either 0 plus or either that is 0 minus. Okay? So write down all these things After that, we'll start learning how to solve questions 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. Till here, this was introduction of limit chapter. Very big introduction for this chapter. Okay, so you can write. Okay, so we are going to start our question solving technique. First technique is factorization, and in factorization also we are learning how to solve 0 by 0. And in this 0 by 0 also, we are learning if polynomial upon polynomial is given, then how we'll find the value. Okay. Now, whatever technique I'm going to teach you here, same technique will be applied for finding infinity minus infinity. Infinity minus infinity. Suppose you are getting some infinity minus infinity. There also you will apply the same technique. Okay. Now say this. One question I am going to take here, and here I will give you all the basic understanding of solving. It means whatever understanding I will give you here, with same understanding I will solve polynomial by polynomial everywhere. There will be no other solving. I will tell you something here and I will tell you some magic is there, here something else will happen. That will not come. It means if you are understanding all the things here, then you can handle 0 by 0 polynomial upon polynomial very easily from this theory. ठीक है ना? So first of all, let's start with the same example that we did in 0 by 0, and that question was our limit. Same, I will again change this question. After doing 3 question, I will move to this question. Okay. But before moving to this question, I will make sure you know all these things over here. So suppose I am writing limit x tends to 2, and this is our question, x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. And if you see how I solved that question, if you see the solving technique, because solution you already know, but I am going to show you the feelings of the question. Okay. So here, limit x tends to 2, that will come x minus 2 into x plus 2, and that will be x minus 2. And you can say this x minus 2 got cancelled. Okay. Yes, na? But how we will know from this question, how we will know what will get cancelled in numerator denominator? Because once things will get cancelled, the next step you will get answer. Once you will find what I have to cancel, after that answer is very easy. Simple, this both got cancelled. 2, put it 2 here. 2 plus 2, 4. Answer will be 4. So, what I have to cancel? How will find? Suppose this question is there. Sir, how will find what I have to cancel? So, remember, this will give you what you have to cancel. What is written there? X tends to 2. Write x tends to 2 as x is equals to 2. Now keep 2 this side. What will get? X minus 2. It means x minus 2 will get cancelled. Okay. So this is the first thing. Means in polynomial upon polynomial 0 by 0, when we'll cancel something, then only we are going to get answer. Now the question is, sir, what will cancel? So this limit part will tell you what you have to cancel. It means if this total calculation is 0 by 0, what will get cancelled? X minus 2 will get cancelled. Now all calculation will start. How I will generate? Now one more thing after that. Now say this. When things will get cancelled? When x minus 2 is multiplying with something, x minus 2 is multiplying with something, then only we can cancel. Do you think this you can cancel? 2 plus 4 by 2, 2 to cancel? No. It's not like that, na? But that will be 2 into 4 by 2, then 2 and 2 will get cancelled or not? It means if I want to cancel x minus 2 here, x tends to 2 is there, so of course x minus 2 will get cancelled. Prajwal. So if x minus 2 I want to cancel, then x minus 2 should be in product in numerator. X minus 2 should be in product in denominator, then only it will get cancelled. So this is also one understanding in this. Now based on this two understanding, we will start thinking how to solve the question. Okay. So here, as you can see here, is it clear? Now can I move to some other example and can I give you some more question? I will not do this question now. We'll give some other question. Okay, so first I will take some very few example. These things you have written. Write down factorization 0 by 0, polynomial by polynomial, and also you'll write infinity minus infinity. Same technique will be used. नहीं 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 नो, वो तुम्हारी हरकतें रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. My because that video I will put on YouTube now, that my other previous institute students will also watch. So hello everyone. Okay, so शांत ठीक है ना? Okay. Once your app will be active, after that we'll not keep these videos on YouTube. But till then, we don't want you to be away from those videos. Okay, now say this one question I'm going to write. It's limit x tends to 1, x square plus 4x minus 5 upon x square plus 3x minus 4. Now the question is, sir, how will find this question is from this topic? That is first thing. Okay. So this topic information is given. One is polynomial by polynomial, it should be there, and also it should be 0 by 0. First of all, here it is polynomial, yes. Here it is polynomial, yes. Now I am going to check whether it is 0 by 0 or not. So simply what I will do, where is x value tending? X value is tending towards 1. So take 1 and put at place of x in numerator denominator. See, 1 square plus 4 into 1 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 5 minus 5 0. That will become 0 and this will also become 0. So that will become 0 by 0. Yes, na? And this is polynomial by polynomial also. This is 0 by 0 also. What does it mean? Yes, it means factorization technique will be used. Factorization means this is quadratic. I'll find roots of that quadratic, like x square plus 4x minus 5. I will find its roots. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 4, C is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus 4 plus minus root under B square 16 plus 4AC 20 upon 2A. X will be equals to minus 4 plus minus 6 upon 2. X is equals to minus 5 and 1. And factorization technique. Factorization technique you have to remember. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c is your quadratic. Roots are alpha beta. How you will factorize? A times x minus alpha into x minus beta. See, I am going to apply this and I will write here. What is a1? So 1 times x minus alpha. Alpha I will consider minus 5. So x minus minus 5 will be x plus 5. And x minus beta. Beta will consider 1. That will become x minus 1 upon. Here also, here I am not going to find root. But I know root will be x minus x plus 4 into x minus 1. And here you can see, this will give you idea which will cancel. X minus 1 will cancel. So this x minus 1 will get cancelled and limit will be as it is. X tends to 1. Now put x1, 1 plus 5, 6. 5, 1 plus 4, 5. This is the answer. Yes, if you have any doubt, see the solution, and if you have any doubt, tell me. Now suppose someone is saying, sir, this thing I cannot do. Maybe some student will have this doubt. That this factorization part is tough for me, I cannot do. So I am telling you another way, that is, do you know algebraic division? See this, simple. Just see this limit. This is x minus 1, yes or no? This is x tends to 1. This x tends to 1. So take x minus 1. Because we know x minus 1 will get cancelled. And take this numerator. Whenever you get stuck in finding root or anything, you go for that technique. Write down this x square minus 4x plus 4x minus 5 and just divide. When you will divide ना 100% remember you numerator, अरे numerator बोल रहा हूँ, क्या बोला जाता है इसको, रिमाइंडर, मैं रिमाइंडर बोल रहा हूँ, remainder will be 0. Only quotient will be left. Quotient will be this. What will be left? X plus 5. You can see this. Multiply x. That will become x square minus x. Subtract both. Here you get 5x and that minus 5 will come here. Now multiply with plus 5. Multiply 5x minus 5. Subtract both. You will get 0 as remainder. Yes, na? It means this x plus 5 will be left in numerator after cancelling. And same thing, you divide this with x minus 1. In quotient, you will get x plus 4. And then put x1 there, you will get the answer. So that technique also we can go for. So how many of you are comfortable with first technique? How many of you are comfortable with second technique? How many of you know that division? Let me see this. If you know that division, then cubic equation, see degree 3 is there or not? So maybe in cubic equation you will have some problem. So you go with that technique, things will be done. Okay? Yes, then now we'll go for the next question. Okay, next question I will. नहीं, चलो all कर देता हूं मैं. Now we are going to tell you one example for infinity minus infinity. After that, things class will back up our class. Infinity minus infinity. See, whenever you see infinity minus infinity, see here. Whenever you see infinity minus infinity, always remember one term you will see and two term you will see, and both term will be infinity separately. Both term is infinity separately, and that will look like infinity minus infinity. Like see in this question, x is 2. It means value of x is 2. So let's go with 2 plus. 2 plus and 2 minus both. 2 plus and 2 minus both. So let's think x is 2 plus. So 2 plus minus 2, 0 plus. 1 by 0 plus plus infinity. See this. And when you put x2 here, again this will give 0 plus, and something by 0 plus, again it will give infinity. It means this form is infinity minus infinity form. So as I told you here, whenever you are getting infinity minus infinity form, you will always observe two terms are there, 1 and 2. And the given limit, both is becoming infinity, and there is minus between both. If there is plus, then answer will be infinity. Okay? So here infinity. How to do that type of question? I will take one example. And that is very simple example for you all. Because this is very big. But understanding is there. Everywhere in mathematics, understanding is there. You will remember, acha, infinity minus infinity, this is how I will proceed. Rest all is calculation work. Okay. So I will write 4 upon x minus 2 minus x square upon x square minus 4. 2. This is the question. Okay. Let's put 2 plus here. 2 plus minus 2, 0 plus, 4 by 0 plus infinity minus. This will also become infinity. This is infinity minus infinity. Now the question is how to solve this question. Okay, na? Solution part is very easy. Okay, simply this is looking x minus 2. This is x square minus 4. Factorize this. Factorize this, and this will become x minus 2 into x plus 2. limit is x tends to 2. दिख रहा है? Now take LCM, combine both. When you will combine infinity minus infinity, na, this will change to 0 by 0. And again that cutting technique will come and question is solved. Okay. So infinity minus infinity, both term when you will combine together, that will change to 0 by 0, and in 0 by 0 will apply technique of 0 by 0. Okay. So here x minus 2 is already there. So here I will write x minus 2, and here x plus 2 will come. But here x minus 2 is there, x plus 2 will multiply with 4, 4 times x plus 2 minus x square, and this will become limit x tends to 2. See here already it is factorized, don't remove this factorization, because already x minus 2 will go that side, na? X minus 2 is going to cancel. So keep it x minus 2 like that. Next step, you multiply 4x inside, 4x plus 8 minus x square. This I will write limit x tends to 2, 4x plus 8 minus x square upon x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now we have to factorize this. Okay. Something is wrong or what? Minus x square, infinity minus infinity, something, can we write this for 8? Here x by, this is not, huh? Second step, anything wrong is there? No, not wrong, na? Not wrong, na? I think question I designed from my own head, na? So maybe there is some problem. So I will change here. I will simply write here x minus 2. This will also become same thing. I think for understanding purpose, I need to take some easy questions. Okay. So this I am removing. All infinity minus infinity we cannot solve. We can solve only those infinity minus infinity which is possible to solve. So maybe I wrote this infinity minus infinity last time. Maybe that is not possible. That's why it failed at the last step. So here I will take simply x minus 2. So here you can see this is x minus 2, x minus 2. So LCM will be simple x minus 2, and that will become 4 minus x square. Now when we combine both infinity minus infinity, now check here. Put 2. 2 square 4, 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0, this became 0 by 0. Now we have to apply here technique. What will apply? 4, what will write? 2 minus x into 2 plus x upon x minus 2, limit x tends to 2. This is 2 minus x, this is x minus 2. Both will get cancelled. One is a simple negative sign will come. And this negative sign, if it is multiplying, I can take outside the limit. And that will become 2 plus x. Put x. 2 plus 2, 4. Answer will be minus 4. It means this infinity was smaller than that infinity. This infinity was smaller than that infinity. It means that infinity was bigger. You want to think how that is bigger? See, denominator both is same. This is 4. X tends to 2 means 4 plus. 4 plus and 4, which is greater? 4 plus is greater. It means that number is greater. So subtraction is going to be negative. 4 upon x minus 2, 4 plus upon x minus 2, that is going to be. Understood? So write down this part. Today we'll give you question, limits question, printing format. I have some question in slides also. This question I will not give you for printing. This question I will do, and another separate 53 question, 50 to 53 question I will give you. And that again you have to do that.